Welcome to the Jet Janix channel again and to the financial modeling. Guys, today we are going to discuss the profitability index, okay? And as you know, the profitability index is one of the tool for capital budgeting uh, analysis or for the uh, investment appraisal, okay? The profitability index is one of the most common technique we normally use for investment appraisal and capital budgeting, and which we rank different kind of investment project on the basis of their profitability. And how can we calculate the profitability index in Excel is like this, okay? Let me explain it very well to you. You are going, first of all, you are going to calculate the NPV of the project, and then the profitability index, because the profitability index is equivalent to net present value of the project divided by the initial investment. So if you see here, we have some information. The interest rate, let's say the risk free rate is 10%, okay? And here it is an investment project which need $200 as an initial investment, and it will return $100 at the end of the first year, 100 second year, 100 third year, and $100 at the end of the fourth period. And after that this project will finish, okay? So we are supposed here to calculate the profitability index of this project. So first of all, we are going to calculate the NPV here, okay? And for the NPV here, we are going to calculate the NPV like as we have calculated in our previous videos. We just press equal, and then we will calculate this initial investment, and again plus, okay? And after plus NPV, you see, we can see it here. So double click, and now we have to specify the rate, which is the discounting rate, okay? And in this case we have a 10%. So this one and comma. After this, we are going to select all these value here, okay? The cash inflows, we have to select the cash inflows, and we will close the parenthesis and press enter, okay? So here you see we have the present value of these cash flow, okay guys? Now as we have the present value, we have calculated it. So after this, we are going to, sorry, I think I have done something wrong here, because it is in percentage and it should not be in percentage, but in a what we can say, it should be in dollar amount. So I think I have commit a mistake here. I think this figure need to be changed. No, it's okay. I think yes, it's okay. It is very okay. And where is the mistake here? Somewhere here, okay? Let me find it. Somewhere. It is somewhere here, because it is not this amount. Oh yes, it is not the percentage but a number, okay? So, yes, okay, you can see it now. The 116.99 is the present value of this project, okay? Now if you want to calculate the profitability index, we just click here the equal sign, and this is the net present value divided by the initial investment, okay? This one. But from this one, you see it is having a negative sign here, so it will return the answer in negative as well. That's why I'm not going to click here, okay? But I will remove it. You can see in the formula bar here, I will just write 200 here, okay, and press enter. So the profitability index of this project is 0.5849. And as we know, the decision rule for the profitability index is that a higher profitability is preferable, which means if there are two projects, the one is having low profitability index and the other one is having high profitability index, so the high profitability index project will be selected for investment, and the lower profitability index project will be rejected. Okay guys, I think it was very easy. You got something, and I hope you understand it. So if you like it, please like, share and comment on our video, and please subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, thank you, goodbye.